어려워요. 어려워요. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word 어렵다. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 381. 어렵다. Again, it's 어렵다. This pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is 어, second syllable is ryop, and third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 어렵다. 어렵다. The word 어렵다 is an adjective which means to be hard or difficult. Again, 어렵다 is an adjective which means to be hard or difficult. Now, how do you write 어렵다 in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable 어, we need to draw first placeholder or no sound iang followed by the 어 character. For the second syllable ryop, we need to draw first a real character followed by the yo character followed by a biop character. And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables. So here are just some more details about the word 어렵다. So, as mentioned a while ago, it is an adjective which means to be hard or difficult. And as you can see, it has da as an ending, which means it can be conjugated. So, 어렵다, when it is conjugated into its present tense form, it actually becomes 어려워요, which means 어려워요 is the present status of being difficult or hard. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago at the beginning of this video, we already know by now that the meaning of 어려워요 is it's difficult, and it came from the adjective 어렵다. And with that, you've just learned 어렵다. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 371 to 380. Don't forget our word for today, word number 381, 어렵다. This is an adjective which means to be hard or difficult. The first word for our review is word number 380. It's 이대로, which means like this, as it has always been, or the usual way of doing it. Next word for our review is 의자, which means chair. Next word is 매일, which means every day. Next word for our review is 연필, which means pencil. Next word is 지루해, which means I'm bored of it. Next is 심심하다, which means to be bored with nothing to do. Next word for our review is 지루하다, which means to be boring or tedious. Next is 근데 왜, which means but why. Next word for our review is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. And the last word for our review is word number 371. It's 잘했어, which means good job or you did great. Congrats! You've just learned another word today. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.